everybody, it's Stacy Storino from Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, and in this video, I'm going to show you what our multiple award-winning ice cream stand goes through to create our Halloween donuts and other Halloween baked goodies. So make sure you hit that like button if you're excited, and make sure you subscribe to get a helping of our delicious videos every single week. Plus, make sure that you watch until the end so that you can learn how to save big at Joe's and get the inside scoop on some of the hottest ice cream and designer food trends in the industry too. Now, if you've always wanted to know how one of the most successful ice cream stands in the United States, like Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, creates the hottest selling Halloween donuts and other Halloween themed baked goodies that Dutchess County, New York has ever seen, well, you've come to the right place. But before I dive in, if you're looking for all of the hottest ice cream and designer food trends in the industry, as either a consumer or a business, even if you're never going to come by and visit Joe's in person, you definitely want to sign up for our Sunday Inside Scoop. Plus, if you are going to see us, you'll want to pick up your instant coupon too. Good for your next visit. You can register for both simultaneously by clicking on the link below this video. Believe it or not, the Halloween donuts are part of the suite of baked goods that have worked to make us a local legend at Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill. Whether they're baked goods that stand alone or are made out of our multiple award-winning soft serve or any of our nearly 40 flavors of hard ice cream. And do you know why we can make our Halloween donuts so magical that people line up around the block for it and other baked goods like it? We've been featured in places like the Wall Street Journal and ABC, NBC, CBS, Fox News, and more. Bottom line, our stuff is good. I said we're a multiple award-winning ice cream stand, so that's where our fresh foundation starts. Meaning we've got soft serve that has the highest butterfat content around, which makes a huge difference, especially when made part of our baked goods, Halloween or any other time of the year. We here at Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill are blessed to have a designer dessert department that, amongst other things, will decorate your goodies for you, either in advance or if you place a special order with us. And that includes the Halloween donuts. The Halloween decorating that we do, from donuts to cakes, is gorgeous. But wait, there's more. We've got cake pops, monster cookies, little baby monster cookies, Oreo cookie sandwiches, cider donuts, edible raw cookie dough sandwiches, JDB flying saucers, apple tartlets, pumpkin spice cookie sandwiches, classic muffins, cookies, scones, and more. We love doing work like this for our beloved JDB family. We love saving you time, providing you with over-the-top food and desserts and cakes for over-the-top memories with the ones you love. Not just during Halloween, but all year long. If you're hard at work, when you come home, you don't have to work hard. You just have to hit us up so that we can make Halloween baked goods, like the Halloween donuts, all just for you or the ones you love. Now you know what kind of Halloween goodies that we here at Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill make, including the Halloween donuts. But do you have a way to save big once you come to visit us? No problem. I've got a cool discount for you, and you'll also get the inside scoop on some of the hottest ice cream and designer food trends in the industry. Click the link in the description below to get your savings, sneak peeks into the ice cream world, and more right now. If you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, over-the-top food for over-the-top memories. Come by and make some of your best over-the-top memories with us.